What's up, guys? It's Matt, and here we are, number 3 in our countdown of top 5 Indiana waterfalls, and we are at Clifty Falls State Park. We're at southern Indiana, southeast Indiana, near Louisville actually, in Madison, Indiana is where you'll find this state park. And they boast 4 major waterfalls, but they actually have about 22, but they're all seasonal. But we are in the right season right now. We've gotten a lot of heavy rain lately, so they're all going. So we're gonna see the 4 major ones and a few extra too. So let's go. Wow, that's what I'm talking about. Woo! Oh, this is amazing. It is amazing, it's beautiful. This is awesome, guys. Check this out. Alright, there you have it, guys. Clifty Falls State Park. This place was awesome, and I'll tell you a little bit about the park. Those rocks and things you've seen were limestone and shale. This used to be 400 million years ago. It used to be the bottom of a seabed, a shallow seabed, and so you could find fossils and things out here. A lot of people come out here looking for fossils, and I'll tell you, this place, and you've probably seen yourself, it should have been number 1. This place is awesome. They've got a lot of very big falls. I think the biggest one was 85 feet, and there's a lot of them, especially right now since it just rained. If you come out, it's a little muddy after a rain, but it's beautiful and you get a lot of falls. Little ones too that I didn't even film some of them. They were small but just pretty, traveling down the creek. And but there's a reason why this wasn't number one, and one big reason why it got bumped down to number 3. And if you look behind me here, the pollution, that is a coal plant that we built for power right here in the middle of this beautiful place, and it bothers me a little bit. So I don't have all the answers for energy, but I know this is a bad one. This is not a good place to put a coal plant. But if you also see back there is the Ohio River, so we're right on the Ohio River, and that's why they built that there. But back here behind me this way is the park, and I'm up on the observation tower. You get a great view from up here. So I hope you guys enjoyed Clifty Falls State Park. Even with the coal plant, it's a beautiful place to visit. Lots of good trails. Some of them are very adventurous and a little sketchy if you ask me, but they were fun. So check back for number 2 tomorrow, and we'll see you guys again. Peace!